So, what is your plan here for the future?
My plan here for the future, I've been dreaming this up for a really long time, probably over a decade. I've been traveling around the world for the last 12 years looking for a place to really root down and call home. And I feel like this place called me. And some friends were buying some lots in this area, in this neighborhood, and showed me. And when they showed me the pictures, it was rainy season and everything was green and lush, and the proximity to the beach and just the feeling here was amazing. So I actually bought the land sight unseen with the intention to root down and build my home on one lot, and then on the other lots, my intention is to build an Ayurvedic healing center, like a traditional Ayurvedic healing spa, but in a way that is really introducing indigenous cultural ways and medicine into the practice so that we utilize local medicines and remedies. And the idea is to create a healing center that's open for everybody. So that people can come and get traditional Panchakarma treatments or a real blend of cultures between Eastern and Western, especially focusing on Mexican herbology and plant medicine. So what my plan is I'm looking for a local nonprofit organization here in Oaxaca, which I think I may have found, but I want to find a nonprofit where I can partner with them and create programs where we can kind of pay it forward, or the clients that come, if they want to make a donation to the charity fund, so that people here who can't afford treatments or experience this kind of Ayurvedic medicine can really experience it and benefit from it, because it's basically just an earth-based medicine that is focused on the elements. So the idea is to not only learn from local indigenous people, but also to have them come and teach their knowledge to our clients in special workshops. And what I want to do also is help women, especially who are getting out of prison, and help them heal from the trauma that put them there in the first place, and also give them a way to really create a sustainable income financially in the future with this kind of medicine, using just plants, herbs, and oils. And then the other part of it is I feel that there's a major gap between people who are completing rehab programs and letting go of their addictions, but then they go back home and they're placed in the same situation, and they're not taught different skills on how to manage their addiction and to focus their energy in other ways. So the idea is to create a healing space that's as natural as possible, living as close to the land and in tune with the rhythms of nature, and help people learn how to grow their own food, how to cultivate plants, how to harvest them, how to take those plants and turn that into a meal, or even just use food from the grocery store that we can't grow, and help people learn how to recognize who they truly are and their own individuality and their own unique beauty and talents, and show them the foods and ways to prepare the foods and combinations of foods that are going to support their individual needs. And I just feel that Ayurveda fits that missing link, because Ayurveda is all about teaching people lifestyle skills and how to live their best life in the most healthy way, in the most natural way, when we're eating as close to the source as we can. And so the idea is that when people learn new routines of self-care and how food can affect their mood and their energy and basically everything, because food is the first form of medicine, then they can go back to their situation but be empowered with new skills to live in a new way. And I feel like when we teach people new skills, that's going to radiate out, because then they're going to be doing these practices at home, which are easily integrated into their everyday routine, and then it will radiate out into their family, and it just keeps growing, and that circle of healing just keeps expanding. So what we're doing here right now is I have signed up with an online website called Workaway, which invites travelers to come and stay while learning new skills. And we're building our structures with Super Adobe. And I have a Super Adobe maestro here who is teaching workshops and teaching people how to build. So the intention too is to invite the people who live in the community here how to build with the earth below us, and using our own hands and strength and natural elements to construct these amazing, beautiful, artistic, natural homes that become breathable and a part of the earth, and that just really feel like you're walking into a healing space. So with the Ayurvedic center up there, we're going to be using Super Adobe dome structure, so it feels like you're being really contained and held, like walking into a womb. And so the space will also be available when we're not doing retreats or Panchakarma retreats. We're opening it to other people and inviting other people to share their skills and talents and different forms of healing, and also renting it out as an Airbnb or house trades on the downtime when we want to just take breaks. So basically that's it in a nutshell.